G'day everybody, I'm just back down the walkways at a parkland down here by the river. I'm taking Bobby out and just having a look at all the problems after the recent floods and storms we've had here in Sydney. A lot of deluge washed up on beaches and things, which I saw in the other part, and sort of take a walk along here. Bobby likes it so much. Yeah, it's probably one of the best days we've had since the floods over those 2 days. Oh, what are you done? Hang on. And nice and sunny this morning, and now it's become overcast with a few rain clouds around. Don't go through that one. A few branches falling from trees. With strong winds. That one's fallen too. Bob, what are you doing? Come on, move it. You can see all the leaves on the ground, how strong the winds were. So the council is going to have to come through here and do a bit of a clean up this week. So we'll continue on.